Good morning, you lovely people, and welcome to our second full day, third day if you count the travel day. I'm sitting on our balcony. It's so nice. The sun's literally just peeking up there. The wind's like just cool, so it's not too hot. It feels really nice. If you are new around here, I'm Georgie. Normal Girl Vlogging is the channel. Obviously you've seen that. I consist of a family of 4. There's Darren, my husband, Grayson, my 13-year-old, and Taylor A, my 16-year-old, and we're here in Malta just for 4 nights, seeing what it's all about. We've never been here before, so it's all new to us. Today we're off on a boat trip. I'm so excited. We are off, we booked it through our hotel. It was €40 per person. It's about a 6-hour sort of trip. It includes we're going the boat obviously to Comino and to Gozo, and then when we get to Gozo, I think that we're there for 2.5 hours. We get on a, oh, there's some workmen, which is typical, isn't it? They're going to start making a racket, so I'll try and speed this up. We are yeah, at Gozo for about 2.5 hours, where we get on a minibus. It's not and it drops us off, I think, in the centre. It's not a tour per se. It's like we can go off on our own, which we'd prefer. And then they pick us back up, take us back to the boat. We're going to the Blue Lagoon, which is really good. I really want to go there. I'm scared to get in the sea though because of jellyfish, so I'm just going to dip my toe in. And then from there, I think we can pay an extra, I think it's about €8 each to get on the smaller boat, just to go into the caves, into the grotto. So I'm excited for that as well. And then it brings us back about 5:30. So yeah, come along with us. We're going to head off now to a little cafe just down the road, just down there. And have some breakfast, and then I think we're meant to disembark about 11:30, but they said to get there at 11, so it's now coming up for 9:45. We're going to go grab some breakfast and then head down to the seafront. I'm excited for today. Come along with us. This is our view from the balcony. I feel like they were waiting off for me, hopefully, them builders. They stopped and started. It's not the best view. It's quite residential, quite enclosed, but you know what, the sun makes it feel good. So look, so there's a nice view right up there as well. Yeah, pretty. Right, let's go get breakfast. We're in this little cafe. It's warm. Taylor got a chocolate muffin. Darren got a plain croissant. I got Nutella croissant, some drinks. And Grayson didn't really feel like anything, but look at all the cakes in there though. Look at them, it's a bit early. 10 o'clock in the morning for that's a bit early. Okay, so we've walked down to the bay. It is extremely windy and cold. And we did bring some jackets, but I have this skirt on. Yeah, it's not working out very well. Really flashed the builders, other builders. So I'm having to walk around holding my skirt at the front and the back. Darren said we have got time to go. We've got like half an hour before they even told us to get there. They told us to get there. Oh, I can see a red boat coming. I can see a red boat, whether it's our one or not though. They said get there half an hour before. But it's an hour before and a minute, so we've literally just got to go to there. Is that a jetty? We've just got to walk down there. And Darren was saying we can go back and change because my skirt is going to be a pain all day. But I can't believe the change, so we'll just work with it. Look how crystal clear this water is. It's so nice. It's so weird for, like, you know, as British, we don't have clear coastlines. This one is just like almost like a swimming pool. Can't wait to see the Blue Lagoon. They're doing some work there as well. I think tomorrow morning, St Paul's Bay is just down there. I think tomorrow morning we're going to get up early and go and have a look around St Paul's Bay. But yeah, I'm excited to get on this boat and do a bit more exploring. There's a boat right in the far distance. It's obviously not coming this way, I don't think, but I think that's the same company that we're using. I'll tell you when our one gets here anyway, obviously. But yeah, it's going to be fun with this wind today. So we are waiting for our boat. This is just not a vibe. It's not a vibe. This, with no jacket on. I'm wearing a cape. I told him to bring a jumper, he didn't listen. It's mighty cold. Windy. I'm a bit worried about getting on this boat and being frozen solid, but we're here now, so we'll see what happens. But there's another boat that's packing up. There's plenty of people hanging around, so we're a bit worried that we're either at the wrong place or there's no representatives. We're just waiting for a big red boat to turn up. So. Yeah, hopefully that should be any minute now, to be honest, because it's almost 11 o'clock. But the boat has stopped out there. It's like teasing us because it's really cold and we're standing there just looking at it. That's going to be a really unpleasant sound for you guys, isn't it, I think? I've just not let loads of people on, which is kind of sad. Okay, so we've just got on. It's 15 minutes late. It took ages for them. It took over half an hour just to get parked. Like parked or stopped at first.
Yeah.
Look at all them people they've sent away.
They sent them away. Yeah, all the seats.
Yeah, look, this is upstairs, and downstairs is twice as big.
And there's all these seats.
That makes no sense why they didn't let the one here.
And that's because it's running late on time.
I'd be furious. Yeah, they would have took them a couple of minutes to get them on. Very strange. Anyway, we are freezing standing on that jetty thing for like an hour or so. My poor little boy, even though he wants to sit out here on the outside bit, which I do want to do because of the science, but it's bloody freezing. Oh, I feel bad for them people now. Well, we're off. I think I'm not sure what the first stop is actually. I'll show you when we get there.
Of the boat is not permitted at any time. Swimming is only permitted in the designated swimming zones. Our fully air-conditioned main deck is situated downstairs. Should you wish to purchase snacks and drinks, you may do so at our fully stocked bar, situated on the same deck. Lavatory facilities may be found at the back of the catamaran.
How you feeling, babe? It's quite bumpy. It's very pretty though. Whoa. Oh, look at the watercolour though. This is a lot more bumpy than I thought it would be. We're going quite fast. Look at the water though, I don't think can you see it? Look at the helicopter. Can you see it? I can't see it. I feel like we were in a Bond movie going. Guys, got it. That's crazy. That's amazing, isn't it? It's chasing us. Crazy. That helicopter was like literally flushing. Crazy, isn't it? Like all of it, yeah, no, they were army, yeah. Getting wet. Yeah. They like waved at one stage. Oh, did they? Okay, so we're in the minibus.
Mummy, this is like the school minibus break.
The last time I went on the minibus. This is the third one we had to get on because we got kicked off the other one and then we didn't fit on the other one.
The school minibus.
Did you?
I was lucky enough. I never got to do many secondary school trips, so.
We're all arguing amongst ourselves as well. We're on a minibus going to the centre of Comino. We've got till 3 o'clock here, so we've got 2.5 hours. And then
No, 24 past.
24 past 12, so yeah, just over 2 hours. 2.5 hours, sorry.
Once they stop talking.
And then we have to come back here for 3. And then get on the boat back to the other smaller island, Comino.
Depends how long this drive is.
Yeah.
It's like an hour drive.
No, there's only, hopefully it's just up the top into the centre of it, I don't know, but we'll see. And then we'll get a little boat into the caves as well. Keep us in your prayers, guys. We've made it in one piece after we were in that tuk-tuk van. Bit scary.
Choo-choo van shook me and shook my senses.
I know, I gave Bruce his sickness bands because it was getting a bit squiffy. Okay, so we asked him where to go. He said up the hill to Victoria. No, St George's Square, he said. This is Victoria, I think. Up St George's Square and the castle, which is where we're going. So have a little explore, get some lunch, and then we have to be back there for 2:15 go somewhere else. But not that we'll have very long because we have to be back at the boat for 3, so yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a rush trip, but hopefully we'll get to see some nice things. This is the centre of the island. We are, is it the cathedral? How'd you say it? Citadel.
I think it's the same thing.
Yeah, I think, well, they said it castle, and the guy was telling us to come up here. Very pretty, look. Looks very new.
It was turned into a fortified castle.
Oh. Wow, looks cool.
Served as a refuge for the inhabitants during corsairs attacked by the 16th century. Most of the castle's defensive wall became obsolete, and the major reconstruction of the southern side was undertaken between 1599 and 1622.
Yeah, this all looks quite new, doesn't it? I just scuffed my leg on the wall. Yeah, I can't go anywhere and not help myself, can I? This is inside. So far it's free, we haven't had to pay to come in here either. Wow.
Entrance is that way.
Cathedral jewels. Oh, no, that says castle jewels. I don't know what everyone loves a gift shop. Look at this for a view. This for an even better view. There's an even higher section. I can't believe this is free entry as well. There's no cost to be here. Maybe, yeah. Very cool. More little areas you've come down, there's all like little shops selling stuff. I did actually want to get an anklet, but we're really tight for time. Literally got an hour left. I need to get some lunch. Get Taylor some cough sweets. Okay, I think we're in St George's Square. I might be making that up. Not sure. It's quite a cool old building. Yeah, there's an old building right there. And the restaurant we ordered is from over there. We don't want to go down that street because there's all like food down there as well, but I don't think I have time. We've literally got 45 minutes.
Very rushed.
Yeah, and then we've got back to the guy. He said we're going somewhere else. We've only got 45 minutes and we've got back on the boat. So it's probably better to come here for like a stay of maybe a night or something so you can explore a bit more. We've got a quick
We're doing the cafes first.
Sorry? I don't know, but we'll see when we get there. I have no clue. We just ordered a little bit of food, a pizza to share, toasty, a burger, some fries. So we're worried about time as well. It is pretty. It's a nice feel here. You having a nice time, Tay? Did you enjoy walking up and down the thingy? Sorry. Tay was saying, did you enjoy the walk around the cathedral or castle?
Why? Why? Yeah, but why?
No, this is
why?
Why, Tay?
Why?
Why did you not like it, Tay?
Because
You're lazy?
no, the views are pretty, but I didn't want to fall up and down the stairs.
Oh, okay.
Did you enjoy it up there? It's nice. And it was free?
Frustrated that we had to rush because I was reading some of the plaques.
Yeah, it's a bit of history, yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. It's fine.
I did use some of it as a shelter in World War II.
There is loads of history everywhere, isn't there, here? Grayson, did you like walking up that castle?
Yeah, it's good.
He's on his phone.
He's on his phone now. Anyways, we'll show you when lunch comes. Pizza came out and fries. Pizza tastes weird. That's not getting eaten. Grayson's burger and Darren's toasty are still waiting us, and we've got to leave in about 15 minutes to go back to where we need to be picked up, so can't it fine for shower. Okay, here's Darren's sandwich. Here's Darren's sandwich with some classic American cheese, some bread that's just literally toasted. Can you underpay it? If you're not, you don't pay no service charge. Okay, food verdict, I would give it a 1 out of 5.
Chips are probably the best part.
Yeah, chips are the best bit. How many out of 5, say?
0.
0. You're eating it still, you've got to give it something. You're going back for more. What do you think, babe? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, so if you're coming to St George's Square, probably don't try that one there. The guy's a bit sassy. He's got a little bit of a sassy attitude as well, the guy. So plenty of other places to try, but don't try that. What's it called? Ballista Cafe. Oh, there's been a big cock up, shall we say? Mess up. So the bus was late, then another one came and picked us up and literally drove us here about 100 miles an hour. And got told they radioed through for a boat to wait for us. We were like, well, we're not even meant to be back till 3 anyway. We're meant to be going somewhere else. Where? It's not even our boat. Sea Adventure's going there. Nothing to do with us. Showed him my bracelet. He said, oh no, yours 3 o'clock. So we've literally been here for less than 2, well, in the centre for less than 2.5, about 2 hours. The rest of it was travelling there and back to the centre. And there's the big old thing coming back in. So yeah, so here till 3, but we could have been exploring. But as I said to Darren, the worst of views that we could have. It is extremely pretty here. So yeah, we've got about 20-minute wait for our one to come back, and then we'll be off to Comino. Alright, Darren enjoying a bit of sunshine. Kids reading. We are back on the boat, leaving the island of Comino. No, Gozo, sorry, we're going to Comino now. I think this is the one that's only got 2 people that live on this island. We're going to do the excursion. It's €15 each to go into the caves to see the. They come around to sell them now. €15 each to go on a little boat into the caves. So look forward to seeing that and showing you guys as well. Yeah, look at that water. Look at the colour of that water. Insane. Crazy.
Asked me where I wanted to go. I want to go to Dominican.
Look at this place, guys. Absolutely insane. There's the little beach. There's a beach there, so it's all full of people. But look at the water. Insane.
There's a jellyfish there, boy, look.
You can see a jellyfish?
Yeah, look right there.
Yeah. That right there.
One there.
Yeah.
No, oh yeah, there's loads.
Yeah, look
There's
at them.
tons. Oh, they're fish.
No, they're all jellyfish there, look.
Fish below.
That is why we won't be going in the waters properly.
That's called Comino, the Lagoon Comino. Only 2 people live here on this island. 2 people only. 1 family. First time Comino. Me second time in 20 minutes.
We're sat at the front of the boat, which ain't great because there's plastic here. But sorry. Yeah, Darren said there's like jellyfish everywhere. You can see them. Like, I thought they were clear, but there's loads Whoa. The guy just said that this is where Count of Monte Cristo is filmed. Me and Darren love that movie. It's quite old now, but it's a good film. Wow. How awesome that is. So close to it. Look at that. We are rocking around. I'm not sure if it's that one.
The other side. Okay, now I'm coming back. Can you check my reverse light if it's working, please?
Sorry that this footage isn't great, but we're right inside the cave now, but there's plastic all over. Do they really? Wow.
There he goes.
Oh my gosh. It's got an audience now.
Wow! Good boy. La trovavo ma io dicevo come le left.
It's backwards.
Because it has a
Wow, look at this water. Little cove.
That's 1 month ago, look.
Oh.
Lucky we are not there. Last year people were swimming there.
Oh gosh.
We have some dodgy places. You never know. Never, nobody or is going to tell you what is going to call them. That's boom in a second.
Yeah. Look at the stunning stone. Yeah. There you go. I'm getting my toes in with the Malta Sea. But they're just up there watching me. It is very busy here. But look at the water. I am fully dressed, so please don't take me over. There's so many jellyfish. I'm sure they're not this close, but the jellyfish are everywhere out there. Yeah, I made it here. It's so pretty. It is cold, but you acclimatise quick enough to it. Look at it. It's like being in a swimming pool. Darren's toes are in the ocean as well. Managed to get him to come down. Kids are up there. It is cold, but it's alright. Yeah, I see you. You're not probably going to be sick of this by now. I don't know how much I'm going to edit, but it's just something else. Dip my toes down there. They're up here. You've got these little huts and stuff. Food huts, ice creams. But I might have to get a pineapple. I might see how much they are. I did see fruit pot over there for fruit salads for €3, so definitely get a bit of fruit in our bellies, I think. Oh god, my skirt. Hang on a sec. Oh. Look, we've got some fruit. Grayson got an ice cream. That was only €3. That's only €3. That's pretty good. That's quite a big pot of fruit. Look what I got.
Spilling. Dress.
Oh well, going home now soon. I got a Blue Lagoon because we're in the Blue Lagoon. I had to get a Blue Lagoon. It's €10, and then if you get a refill, it's half price. That's pretty good. But obviously we won't be because we're going shortly. And Taylor got nothing. He didn't want nothing. Ooh, this might be a bit of sunburn coming up. We're back on the boat now. We've got like half an hour actually till we set off, but yeah, there's not obviously a great deal to do here, but it is stunning. We did go for a little walk up the mountain bits, came back down, enjoyed my cocktail, got some fresh fruit. I'm just gonna chill. I think we're all a bit wiped with the fresh air and stuff. And yeah, so we can head back on the boat. We're gonna grab some ice cream from a fancy ice cream place we saw on the first day. It looks very good, some gelato, so we're gonna grab some of that. You had a good day? Yeah. How you feeling? Tired? You had a good time, babe?
Yeah, babe, yeah.
Been good, isn't it? Yeah. Taylor, you enjoyed it somewhat? It's not Taylor's most favourite thing in the world, but anyways. Right, we'll see you when we get back to, unless anything amazing comes up, when we get back to, oh dear, we're stopping in now. We want someone who might have got a bit sunburned today. Update though, it was too choppy to take us into St Paul's, so we've had to come down to Salma, and then Valletta's right there. And then I think, I've probably said it completely wrong, Salma's there. Salima, sorry, Salima. Shut up. Yeah, so apparently they've got transport for us, which is about, oh my god, my face is so red. And I've got sun cream on. Does it really pretty though. I'll try and show you guys. More like high end. When we came through it on the bus the other day, it was like a bit more fancy where we are. A bit more money, I think, lots of shops and stuff. Apparently there's a tunnelizer that they've got, oh my gosh, my face. They've got transport for us to get us back to St Paul's. So we're all quite tired. I'd rather just be back now, but I guess we've seen a bit more of the island than we thought we would this way. It's nice to use it. Sorry, there's the remainder of my, we all had the same, these big cheese things that are like huge round cheesy mozzarella, but we were all starving, so they're all gone. I do apologise, but I shall show you my main before it disappears, I promise. Everyone's starving, I've got to go quickly because everyone... Yay, no burnt burger, third time lucky. Grayson said that big, look at that massive burger. Look at Darren's ribs, they look nice, rack and ribs. I went for carbonara, for some chips sliced salad. Taylor's on a diet. Not. Taylor's waiting for fish chips. In typical normal girl vlogging form, no outro last night. We were just too tired. We got back from off the bus about 7 something, and then by the time we left the restaurant was like 8:45, so we were very tired, showers and bed. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had a really good day yesterday, a long, tiring day, and as you can see, a bit sunburned. But I did put cream in, I promise. If you did like that vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Drop us a comment if you've been to any of the places we travelled to yesterday, and we will see you guys on the next one. Take care as always, bye.